Good morning. My name is Piotr and I'm from Reliability Solutions. And today I'll show you extending the basic of automated storage and retrieval system with the PDM solution. So we as Reliability Solutions are a company who is working with various companies in various industries, from oil and gas, energy, but also logistics, food and beverage. And we have two locations, Krakow and Rotterdam, where we moved to Rotterdam end of last year. And what we do, we work with predictive maintenance. So in principle, for such kind of systems which are involving stacker cranes or cranes, the basic questions are how to make them work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So as everywhere to improve uptime and productivity. What we do, we actually integrate know-how coming from different domains, from engineering domain and from data analytics. And we scope our interest on delivering the predictive analytics, which can help in building the predictive maintenance. So in principle, what will happen in the future, when it will happen, and what is the probable cause of either adverse event or wanted event, if we think, for example, about operating point of a specific machinery. But we also take into account the other two approaches, which are basics in predictive maintenance. So taking information coming from preventive maintenance, where you have scheduled parts switching, and from diagnostics, where it's based on condition monitoring, like vibration measurements and taking information from signals of vibration and doing spectrum and looking for specific frequencies of failures. So when we think, for example, about mechanical failures. So as I said, the platform and the solution is designed for predicting where and when unwanted events are going to happen, identifying the probable cause of those events, and providing information required to make an action and to improve availability and profitability of an asset. How does it work in reality? We integrate all of the possible data as inputs coming from SCADAs, PLCs, but also operating, condition monitoring, from overhauls, all the maintenance works. If you have service logs, stuff like that, coming from maintenance rounds, we take it all. Then we integrate it in the data hub, where we are preparing it for model generation, where we do validation, data audit, missing data imputation, the typical things with data quality. Or we choose predefined predictive maintenance models from a model library, which can allow you for fast tuning and deployment. And then it can be deployed on cloud, on-premise, on server, on an edge device, if we think, for example, about moving objects like trains, ships, or electrical buses. And just a short intro on one of the case studies, what we did in one of the automated warehouses on a stacker crane. We made a solution which is including whole drivetrain and machinery for all of the components, using the machine learning methods and condition-based methodologies coupled together. And this is covering lifts, motor, transmission, propulsion system, where we have two drives, master and slave, motor, transmission, and wheel, and rail failures, because those machines are moving on the rails. When we started the project, we had only access to SCADA data coming from around 102 signals containing different kinds of information, temperatures, produced energy, torques, voltages, currents, and etc. And we didn't have any failure data there, so no history, but we managed to build models which were based first on anomaly detection and then were changed into predictive. And we are having 24 hours horizon in predicting of different kinds of failures on those components, with average accuracy of 95%. So that was really fast about the solution. And here you have the example of the stacker crane on which we worked on in this automated warehouse. As I said, we work in various industries with various machineries coming from oil and gas, energy, and logistics. So basically, that would be all from my perspective in terms of the pitch. And if you have any questions or you would like to discuss anything, please shoot or then contact me afterwards. Thank you very much.